Good morning, everyone. So, we were discussing rural development schemes in India. We will continue from Gram Panchayat Development Plan, Sabki Yojana Sabka Vikas. The scheme was launched by Ministry of Panchayati Raj on October 2018. The aim of the Yojana is to strengthen the role of 31 lakh elected Panchayat leaders and 2.5 crores SHG women under DAY NRLM in effective Gram Sabha to connect rural people to mainstream while keeping in focus the principle of Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas. The main objective of this scheme is to make rural local bodies self-reliant, financially sound and more efficient. The implementation of this scheme will be done for 4 years from 2018-19 to 2020-22. For this financial provision of 7,255.50 crores have been earmarked. The Prime Minister Ambitious Plan Swachh Bharat Mission, the contribution of Gram Panchayats in making country open defecation free is really commendable. The Gram Panchayat Development Plan is a revolutionary initiative of present government. It envisages that the well thought out Gram Panchayat Development Plan based on local needs will pave the way for inclusive progress of village. For this, Gram Panchayats will have to craft a local Panchayat development plan with the consent of all the villagers while properly managing their entire external and internal resources. Next, we have Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gramin Kaushal Yojana. The scheme was launched by Government of India on 25th September 2014. On the occasion of 98th birth anniversary of Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay. It comes under the Ministry of Rural Development. The aim of this scheme is to target youth under the age of 15 to 35 years. An amount of 1500 crores have been provided for this scheme, which will help in enhancing employment. The Yojana is present in 21 states and union territories across 568 districts and 6,215 blocks, changing the lives of youth. Around 690 projects are being implemented by 300 partners. As per the government reports, over 2.7 lakhs candidates have been trained till now and nearly 1.34 lakh candidates have been placed in job. The mission of this Yojana is to reduce poverty by enabling poor for household to access gainful and sustainable employment through employment that provide a regular wage. So next we have Roshni Skill Development Scheme for Tribals. This scheme was launched by Government of India under the Ministry of Rural Development. It was launched on 7th June 2013. The aim of this scheme is to offer employment to tribal youth in 24 Naxal affected district. The scheme Roshni is aimed to provide training and employment to an anticipated 50,000 youth in age group of 10 to 35 years for a period of 3 years. As per the ministry, 50% of beneficiary of this scheme will be women only. Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana. This scheme was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on birth anniversary of Lok Nayak Jai Prakash Narayan. It was launched on 11th October 2014 by Ministry of Rural Development. Under this program, each member of parliament will take the responsibility for developing physical and institutional infrastructure in 3 villages and look after the personal and human social, environmental and economic development of village by 2019. Then we have National Rural Livelihood Mission. It was launched on June 2011 by Ministry of Rural Development. Swan Jayanti Gram Swarojgar Yojana SGSY, which is redesigned as National Rural Livelihood Mission, also known as Ajivika. The scheme was aided by World Bank and aimed at creating sufficient and also effective institutional platform for rural people. Ajivika is aimed to empower the women self-help group model across the country. Under this scheme, the government provides loan up to 3 lakh rupees at the interest rate of 7%, which could be lowered to 4% on timely repayment. So under this scheme, the mission aims at creating effective and efficient institutional platform of rural people by enabling them to increase household income through sustainable livelihood enhancement and improved access to financial service. Then we have Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. It came into force on 2005. In 2005, the mission aims to enhance livelihood. The act was first proposed in 1991 by P.V. Narasimha Rao, and it was introduced by Raghuvansh Prasad Singh, Minister of Rural Development. The security in rural area by providing at least 100 days of wage employment in financial year to every household whose adult member volunteered to do unskilled manual work. The aim of this scheme was to guarantee 100 days employment in a year to village people. 50% of the employment is reserved for women, and its 90% funding is borne by central government and 10% by state government. That's all for today. We will continue our discussion on all the important schemes in upcoming video. Thank you for watching.